Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about machines of 2025, the Harley-Davidson XLS 1000 Roadster. With its raw street appeal, modern upgrades, and unmistakable Harley DNA, this bike is rewriting what it means to be a performance-focused cruiser in the modern age. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or simply love aggressive, muscular roadsters, the XLS 1000 demands attention. Let's get into what makes this roadster a true standout. A bold return, Harley's New Age Roadster. The 2025 XLS 1000 Roadster is Harley-Davidson's answer to the call for a lightweight, high-performance urban street bike that still carries that iconic Milwaukee soul. Inspired by classic cafe racers and muscle bikes of the past, the XLS 1000 marks a bold return to Harley's performance roots, but now through a thoroughly modern lens. Think low-slung frame, aggressive stance, and a stripped-down attitude. This bike is built for the rider who wants speed, style, and authenticity in one sharp package. Design and aesthetics, raw and refined. The Roadster's design screams performance with a minimalist approach. The sculpted fuel tank and chopped rear fender harken back to Harley's old-school trackers, while the aggressive lines and modern lighting give it a futuristic twist. The new LED headlamp is sleek and functional, casting a crisp beam while enhancing the bike's tough profile. At the heart of the look is a reworked chassis that places the rider in a forward-leaning, commanding position. Cast aluminum wheels, blacked-out finishes, and a slimmed-down tail section round out the aesthetic, giving the XLS a road-hungry vibe that's equally at home carving canyons or dominating city streets. Powertrain and performance, the Revolution Max 1000R. Under the tank, the XLS 1000 Roadster features Harley's next-generation Revolution Max 1000R engine, a liquid-cooled, V-twin marvel that delivers an estimated 115 horsepower and 85 lb-ft of torque. Tuned for rapid throttle response and top-end pull, this engine is built to rev and roar. The torque curve is broad and linear, offering punchy acceleration throughout the rev range. Paired with a slick 6-speed transmission and lightweight construction, the XLS delivers nimble handling and aggressive acceleration. Whether launching from a red light or blasting down a twisty back road, this roadster is all about thrill and control. Chassis and handling, agile yet grounded. The XLS 1000 is built on a newly engineered tubular steel trellis frame, offering enhanced rigidity without the bulk. The suspension is fully adjustable, with an inverted 43mm front fork and a monoshock rear setup that's tuned for sporty feedback. Combined with a shorter wheelbase and lower center of gravity, this roadster handles like a naked sport bike, responsive, flickable, and confident. Dual front disc brakes with radially mounted calipers and a high-performance rear disc provide stopping power worthy of its speed. With Michelin Road 5 tires and lightweight 17-inch wheels, the grip and stability are top-tier, inspiring confidence in corners and under hard braking. Tech and features, modern where it matters. Harley-Davidson has packed the 2025 XLS 1000 Roadster with a suite of modern electronics that add safety and rider customization without overwhelming the minimalist ethos. A full-color TFT display replaces analog dials, offering navigation, ride modes, and diagnostics in a clean, intuitive layout. You'll get multiple riding modes including road, sport, rain, and a customizable user mode, allowing riders to fine-tune throttle response, engine braking, and traction control. The bike also features cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, and cruise control for longer rides, proof that performance doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort or safety. Comfort and ergonomics, rider-centric design. Despite its aggressive stance, the XLS 1000 Roadster is surprisingly accommodating. The seat height is just around 30 inches, allowing a broad range of riders to flat-foot with ease. Mid-mounted foot controls and low handlebars put you in a slightly forward position that balances control with comfort. The seat itself is minimalist but ergonomic, and with an accessory pillion option, you can bring a passenger along for the ride. Harley has designed the ergonomics for both commuting and spirited riding, versatile enough for everyday use, but tuned for those who crave the ride. Customization potential, built to be yours. Harley-Davidson knows its audience, and the XLS 1000 comes with a wide array of factory accessories to customize both performance and style. From slip-on exhausts and bar-end mirrors to performance air intakes and solo seats, there's room to make this Roadster truly yours. The modular design of the bike makes it easy to tinker with, encouraging riders to swap out components and build their perfect version. Whether you're after a cafe racer aesthetic, a club-style cruiser, or a track-ready street fighter, the Roadster is an excellent starting platform. Comparison with rivals, a new challenger enters. The 2025 XLS 1000 enters a crowded field with competitors like the Indian FTR, Ducati Monster, and Yamaha MT-09. But where it differs is in its blend of raw American character and refined engineering. The Harley V-twin sound, torque-heavy delivery, and classic design cues give it a unique edge in the naked sports segment. It doesn't try to be a Euro copycat or a Japanese tech marvel, it carves its own path, appealing to riders who want visceral feel with modern capability. And that's something few other bikes in this class manage to do. Price and availability. The 2025 Harley-Davidson XLS 1000 Roadster is expected to land in dealerships in mid-2025, with a starting MSRP around $13,999 US. Depending on options and customization, that number can go higher, but it still positions the bike competitively in the performance cruiser segment. It's available in 3 color options at launch: Vivid Black, Gunship Gray, and a new custom option called Ember Red Metallic, each with unique graphics and badging to enhance its premium feel. Final thoughts: a Harley for the next generation. The 2025 Harley-Davidson XLS 1000 Roadster is more than just a new model, it's a signal. A signal that Harley is ready to embrace a younger, more performance-oriented audience without abandoning its roots. With its aggressive styling, modern tech, and engaging ride, the XLS 1000 stands out not only as a Harley, but as a world-class street machine in its own right. For riders who crave performance but still want that unmistakable American character, this Roadster might just be the perfect blend. It's bold, it's fast, and it wears the bar and shield with pride.